Let me start by congratulating you on becoming a lifetime bronze member of the AI movement. This membership opens the door to a wealth of resources, including updates on the latest developments in the field of AI and free ongoing access to a wide range of AI courses. I encourage you to stay engaged until the end of this course because it will unveil numerous opportunities to position yourself as a leading expert in AI. Together, we will explore transformative insights that can shape your professional journey. Without further delay, let's dive into the course and uncover how global organizations are leveraging digital transformation to secure their future and drive innovation. Let us now understand how digital transformation is driving the future of global organizations. The digital transformation is reshaping how businesses need to operate, how they need to compete, and how they have to deliver value to their customers. In this era where the technological advancement is happening on a daily basis, organizations must adapt to innovative technologies or strategies to stay relevant and thrive in this competitive market. So let us understand what is digital transformation. Digital transformation involves leveraging the technology to create new or modify existing business processes, culture, and customer experiences. Now, the key technology drivers to do this are cloud computing, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, Internet of Things, and blockchain. But why it is necessary to do a digital transformation? Because it helps you to enhance your agility, it improves your efficiency, and it helps to foster innovation. If you look at the industry's trends in digital transformation, the spending has been around 1.8 trillion in 2023, which is projected to hit around 3.4 trillion by 2026. Now, what are the areas of digital transformation by industry sectors? If you see in manufacturing, the prime focus had been in predictive maintenance and development of digital twins so that the predictability of the machine failures can be enhanced. In healthcare, it is related to telemedicine and AI powered diagnostics. In retail, it's more about personalization, and hence AI and augmented reality are used in conjunction to bring about that personalization impact. In banking, it's more about AI driven financial planning and secured financial transactions through blockchain technologies. Some of the other emerging technologies are hyperautomation, where it's a combination of various different relevant digital technologies coming together in defining a solution. Edge computing, where it is almost near real-time processing to take the corrective decisions on its own, and sustainability focused technologies are also coming up. So primarily the technologies which are driving the transformation are cloud computing. Now what are the benefits of cloud computing? Because it gives you scalability, it gives you cost efficiency, and it can be accessed remotely. From an adoption point of view, over 90% of the global organizations are using cloud-based services. The other technology is AI and machine learning, where a lot of applications have been developed in terms of chatbots, fraud detection, and process automation. So fraud detection is primarily in the area of the financial sector. Process automation is primarily in the areas of manufacturing and process industries. The ROIs, what you can expect from these technologies is productivity improvement by around 40% on an average. In terms of the blockchain, it is used for financial secure transactions, as well as it is used for supply chain transparency and secured digital contracts. From an ROI point of view, the companies have reported around 30% reduction in fraudulent activities by implementing blockchain. IoT, which is picking up pretty good right now, helps in real-time monitoring of assets and can take corrective actions on near real-time basis, thereby also helping in designing of smart devices. The market growth of expected out of IoT solutions is around $1.1 trillion by 2025. Now let us look at some of the case studies of some of the large organizations on how they adopted digital transformations to improve some of their processes. The first one is the example of a large e-commerce company where they faced challenges in streamlining the logistics. The challenge was that they used to receive custom orders, but the material or the article might not be available, thereby disrupting the customer services. So they have implemented a AI-driven inventory management solution to ensure that whatever is being ordered by a customer is available in the stores and they are able to deliver that particular goods to the customer within this stipulated promised timeline. As a result, they were able to achieve around 30% cost savings with better inventory management. The next example is that of an industry automation company. It's a large one, and they face a challenge from a predictive maintenance in manufacturing. They wanted to give this solution to their customers where the accuracy of predictive maintenance is quite high. So they implemented IoT enabled digital twins whereby the machine is getting replicated as a digital twin and the data is getting fed from the sensors to the digital twin, thereby enhancing the predictability of the maintenance to a larger extent. And with good predictability, they were able to reduce the downtime of the customers by around 25%. The third example is that of a large retailer who were facing a challenge of personalizing the shopping experience for their customers. They wanted to know that what customer wants which type of product at what point in time. So they implemented big data analytics and AI. By doing this, they were able to know the personal preference of each and every customer and accordingly show them the products of their choice. Now, by doing so, they were able to increase the online sales by around 35% through the personalization choices of their customers. Now, how do we measure these ROIs and the success metrics? Primarily, the success metrics are related to either increased revenue or reduced operational cost. It can be also related to enhanced customer satisfaction or improving the employee productivity, and it can also be related to improving the market share and the innovation capability. Now, what are the tools used for this measurement? The tools primarily used are the balance scorecard. For people who are not aware about balance scorecard, it's a set of KPIs which are defined at the organization level, and then those set of KPIs are flown back to the department or the division level so that it remains aligned to the organization goals, and then the divisional KPIs are further broken down into the individual KPIs which are related to each of the employees. By doing so, you are actually relating each of the KPIs of an individual to the overall organizational goal, which actually helps in formation of the balance scorecard so that each employee's contribution gets accounted in the company's goal. Then other than that, people are using advanced analytics dashboard where you can do a lot of simulations which can help you in better decision making by running it through with the what if analysis type of scenarios. The examples of some of the ROI benchmarks are cloud computation, cloud adoption, which is around 50 to 60% cost savings in the infrastructure cost. This is a straight way to measure because in your financial books you know what is your infrastructure cost, and after cloud adoption if there is a reduction it can directly give you that ROI. And in AI implementation you can measure it through the operational efficiency improvements, which are typically to the range of 40% improvement in the operational efficiency. But it's not easy to do a digital transformation. There are several challenges in doing this, and some of the common obstacles are resistance to change, lack of skilled talent, and data privacy and security concerns. Now, in order to overcome this, you need to have strategies around each of these areas, for which you have to develop a change management framework so that the resistance to change can get addressed. You need to do upskilling and reskilling of your employees so that they are aware about the latest technology, and you need to invest in the robust cyber security measures so that the concerns related to the data privacy and the security concerns are getting addressed. Now, once you have done this, then you have to build a roadmap for the transformation. Now, these are the steps which needs to be followed for a successful digital transformation journey. Number one, define a very clear vision. It should not be vague, or it should not be sporadic, that we keep picking up some projects and say that okay, we do a digital transformation in this particular area. Then you have to assess your current capabilities. Once you have assessed the current capabilities, develop a strategy around that so that you are able to leverage your capabilities. And then invest in the right technology. Here many people fail because they tend to pick up any new technology what is coming up in the market. You should be aware that you pick up the right technology what is relevant for your business and what is relevant for the problem you are trying to solve. Then measure and refine. Now this is a continuous process. This 5-step process have to be done in a cyclic way so that you keep refining the process. And the digital transformation, you should remember, is a continuous journey. There's no end point to this transformation journey what you are looking for, which can give you continuous improvement as you keep refining the process. So you keep measuring it and refining it and make the necessary changes. Some of the best practices are engaging the stakeholders early, focusing on incremental changes. This is equally important because quite often people talk about large changes directly bring into the system, but incremental changes actually gives confidence to a lot of business people that what is the power of this digital transformation and what all things it can bring about. Once the confidence is built, then it's easier to venture into the larger projects and bring about large transformation because the mindset of people have already changed. And then you have to align the technology with your business goals. So how does the future of digital transformation look like? Some of the predicted trends are rise in the quantum computing, which will give you more faster and higher computing power. Then AI ethics and regulations will come up very strongly, but all countries are coming up with some regulations around AI, and those regulations will help us to design the right solutions. And increased focus on sustainability, where a lot of AI enablement will be done. The impact on the global economies, if you see, the digital economics is contributing around 14 trillion USD to global GDP by 2030 is the prediction. And from a preparing from a future point of view, it's a lifelong learning and a continuous innovation which will come up, and there will be a lot of cross industry collaboration is what we'll get to see, because a lot of data points will be required by multiple different industries to arrive at some conclusion or to make the right decisions. So cross industry collaborations are likely to increase in the near future. Let's see how the digital transformation takes shape and take us forward. I hope you have gained valuable insights into the various AI technologies and real-world use cases, showcasing you how organizations are leveraging this advancement to achieve optimization and efficiency. Now, as we move forward, let's take a moment to reflect not just on the success stories but also on the challenges. How many of us are aware of the significant number of transformation projects that fail? In our next session, we will delve into this critical topic and explore our IPA framework, which is designed to guide you on the path to success in digital transformation projects. Additionally, you will gain access to an exclusive forum where you can post challenges faced during the project deployments and you receive practical suggestions to overcome them from a supportive community. Take your learning further by subscribing to the Silver Annual Membership at the price equivalent to just a pizza. Click on the link below to join and unlock more knowledge and resources to elevate your AI journey.